Hey there, if you want to switch the country or region linked to your App Store account, you're in the right place. Changing your App Store region can unlock apps, games, and content that are only available in other countries. Let's walk through how to update your App Store settings. Step 1. Open Settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Go to your Apple ID section. Tap on your Apple ID located at the top of the screen. Select Media and Purchases from the options. Tap View Account to proceed. Step 2. Change country/region. Scroll down and tap on country/region. Next, tap Change country or region. Step 3. Select the new country/region. Choose a new country or region from the list provided. Step 4. Agree to terms and conditions. View the terms and conditions, then tap Agree to continue. Step 5. Update payment information. Enter the payment method and billing address for your new country or region. Tap Next to confirm your changes. Important notes. Make sure to spend any remaining balance in your Apple ID account before changing your region. If you're part of a family sharing group, you'll need to leave the group to update your country or region. And that's it. You've now successfully changed your App Store country or region. If this guide helped you out, let me know in the comments below.